This how to 1 minute will show you how to add a CNAME record in Godaddy. Log into your Godaddy account and click on your profile name. Click on My Products, and here under Domains you have to click on DNS. You have to click on DNS next to the domain where you want to add a CNAME record. And now click on Add New Record. Click on this type drop down and select CNAME. In name field, enter the host name or prefix of the record without the domain name, such as blog or shop. In the value field, enter the URL you are setting as the destination for the host. Type @ to point directly to your root domain name. In the TTL field, enter the amount of the time server should cache information before refreshing. The default setting is 1 hour. And then click on Save, and your CNAME record will be created. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.